Alright, we have an e46 here, 2004 CI, and we think it's got a vacuum leak. This is a do-it-yourself project, and all we have is a glove, toilet paper roll holder, some tape, and a vape. First thing you do is take out the air filter, unplug the MAF sensor. Boom.
Boom.
And you take your latex glove and wrap it on top. And you want to make sure you seal it up with some duct tape. You want to make sure you're not getting any false readings wherever the vapor is going to be coming out of. So the duct tape isn't doing much, but it just makes sure that the glove doesn't come off when we blow in there. All right, you ready?
I'm ready. Right there, bro.
What? Wow, well, there's your first vacuum leak, and holy moly, that's coming out of there quick. Jeez. Anything else? Man, that is...
Right here too still.
Of course. Alright, well, let's check here. Nothing's coming out of here. I'm gonna open this. So if anything else is coming out from here, nothing's making it to here, so that's good. And I don't think the vapors are reaching all the way here, bro. I think you need some smoke.
I don't have enough lung capacity to blow it away. There you go.
Oh, there you go. Now it's coming out. There you go. All right, now
There's
you should.
so much coming from this one though.
Yeah, now you should see it everywhere. If that's the only one, now that we saw it coming out of here, we made sure that it went all the way through. I don't see any vacuum leaks anywhere else. So I think we found the culprit. One hose. There you go. Look at it again, guys.
Oh yeah, I got one more smoke.
Alright. See anything else on the bottom? I don't.
That's the only one I see.
Okay, cool. Nice. Easy peasy. Instead of spending $1,000 on a smoke machine, this costed us how much?
Nothing.
Glove, a little bit of duct tape, and he already had the vape. I wouldn't suggest to go buy one to do this. Just find a guy who owns a Subaru and ask to borrow it.